Nais ng Malacanang ang mas malinaw at konkretong mga kasagutan sa nagpapatuloy na investigasyon ng fact-finding investigation ng PNP kaugnay ng madugong Atimonan incident. Lumabas sa initial report, ambush at hindi shootout ang operasyon kung saan pinakakasuhan na ang grupo ni Superintendent Hansel Marantan. Sinabi ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lecerda, hindi pa malinaw ang mga facts at kanilang hihintayin ang opisyal na resulta ng investigasyon. Ayon kay Lecerda, hindi pa naman pinal at NBI ang natasang magsagawa ng investigasyon, alinsunod na rin sa direktiba ni Pangulong Aquino. Sa ngayon, hindi pa dapat umanong mag-speculate at baka magpapagulo investigation sa Atimonan shootout. May update ang aming senior correspondent na si Noel Perfecto. Manong Noel, isang magandang umaga sa iyo.
Hello, mga update. Nasa tabi natin ngayon si Deputy Director for Regional. Sir, kumusta na po ang investigation na ginagawa po ng NBI, sir?
Good morning. Ongoing po, Noel.
Okay. So far, meron na 10 division at saka mahigit na 50 katao operatiba naming bureau ang nakatalaga para humabuhay na pinatutupad po ng NBI, sir.
Totoo po, more or less about 60 personnel of the bureau. Merong mga about 40 na mga investigators at saka yung iba ay mga technical people. Kasi we give so much importance and urgency to this instruction from the Secretary and knowledge from the Office of the President.
Very specific po yung atas ng Pangulong Pinoy, Deputy Director, na to get to the bottom of this, kasuhan ang dapat kasuhan, no leave those stone unturned, at no sacred cows.
Opo, yun ang very specific instruction ni Presidente po. Kaya we're doing the best we can. We will try our best na talagang ipalabas natin yung lahat ng katotohanan nito sa buong pangyayari.
Okay. Yung first initial findings ay submitin na po ng ninyo kay Secretary Laila de Lima kamakailan. At saka ang inaantabayan na lang po ng sambayanan ay ito ang pangalawang investigative findings ng NBI. Kamusta na po ito, sir?
Siguro at this stage, we have already gathered some testimonial evidence, but as of the moment, we are waiting for the official and final report from our forensic team, meaning from our ballistics, from our medical legal officers, from our PPD, because we will be needing that in the evaluation of the results of our investigation. We cannot just come out with a report and a recommendation based on this merely on testimonial evidence. Dapat pagsama-sama ito.
Ang sinasabi po niyo, Director, is that lahat po ng iimbitahan at tinitingnan maigi ng NBI, kasama na po rito ang physical evidences at saka yung mga personnel ng AFP at saka PNP who would be invited to give their side on the shootout, Director, sir?
Yes, this is part of the process. We will give them also the opportunity to give their side, to get their side also on the incident, so that hopefully we might be able to extract also to get some vital information that will lead us to come out with a clear and a clear appreciation of all the facts.
Okay. So, hindi na kita interview po ng tagal, Director, because I know for a fact na napakarami po nag-aantabay sa inyo. I would like to interview also na television, pati na rin sa print. Ano ang mensahe niyo sa sambayanan, sir? Hindi po sa pinatutupad ng NBI.
We can assure the public that the NBI is doing its best to handle the investigation, to come out with the result of the investigation, and to let the truth come out so that all the conjectures, speculations, kung ano-ano pa, magkakaroon ng katapusan at magkaroon ng sagot. Now, hopefully, meron kaming time frame dito. We might be able to, we are trying to fast track the submission of the report to the Office of the Secretary as well as to the Office of the President.
Yung mga kaibigan, si Deputy Director Virilio Mendez, siya rin po ang may hawak. Itong overall, itong investigation, dito po sa enkwentro na ganap sa Atimonan, Quezon, kamakailan. we'd like to inform the public, ang ating mga listeners nationwide, at mga viewers natin, that ulitin ko lang, 10 division, mahigit 6 na po mga operatiba ng NBI coming from Calabarzon, Lucena, Laguna, Bidiros, Death Investigation Division, Medical Legal, SCR, FCD, tsaka PPD, ang talaga naman nagsasama to get to the bottom of this investigation. So far, natabayaran po natin yung pangalawang ulat na hahain o ibibigay ni NBI kay Secretary Laila de Lima at sa Pangulong Benigno Aquino III. So yun muna ulat, wala pa rin sa NBI, kasama pa rin si Erwin Navarro, Bawal Perfecto para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.